How to easily adjust text spacing in Google Docs. So to start, I'm going to open a sample Google document, and then in here, I'm going to adjust the text spacing in all the words. To do that, I'm going to tap on the keyboard Ctrl+A shortcut to highlight all the text. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to tap on this text spacing icon, and then in here, it will show us all the settings that we can use for text spacing. You can either use single, 1.15, 1.5, and then you can also tap on this custom spacing to customize the space for your document. So as an example, I'm just gonna select on this 1.5, and as you can see, it automatically adjusts the text spacing here. If I want to change it again, all I need to do is to tap again on this Ctrl+A to highlight the text, tap again on this text spacing icon, and then in here, I'm just gonna select the double spacing. And as you can see, it automatically adjusts the text spacing. So that's how easy we can adjust text spacing in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!